Hey guys, welcome back to a video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of 3 Blackberry devices. Now the only reason I bought this was because of a Blackberry Pearl flip in here, which I already have one, but I actually have 2 of them, I think 3. But this one is on US Cellular. So pretty much the whole reason I picked up this lot was for some phone. There we are. Looks like they even gave us a charger. A couple chargers, actually. Alright, so we got 2 AT&T Blackberry Curves, if I remember right. Let's see what our model number is. 8310 and 8100. I don't know, look how weird that sticker looks, that model number. Right there, Blackberry 8300, okay. And then this is a Blackberry 8310. They look almost identical, I really can't tell the difference between them. It's a little sticky on the side. As normal, looks like this one's got a cracked LCD. Oh, that's a glue from the display coming apart. So nothing too bad on that. These do not have batteries, probably because they're bulged out. So they probably got thrown away. This back cover looks really bad. So there's those 2. We got a mini USB to USB cable with a generic wall plug. And then a Samsung micro USB charger, which is nice to have if it works. And then we have a Blackberry Pearl flip, which is 8230. Missing a battery, but it is on US Cellular. So I see normal scratches on the display from the keyboard. Blackberry's first flip phone, so it took them a while to figure it out. But there's a quick little unboxing, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.